Hello everyone, let's make some semi-homemade peanut butter chocolate chip cookies using the Betty Crocker's peanut butter cookie mix. We're going to double this recipe because we're going to use 2 pouches of the Betty Crocker peanut butter cookie mix. And I bought these at Sam's Club. You get, I think it's 5 pouches in there. And each pouch will make 22 regular sized cookies. But I use an extra large scoop, so I didn't get that many. Here I am putting in the second bag of the mix. Making sure I get everything out of there. The instructions call for 1 tablespoon of water per bag of mix, so I'm using 2 because I'm doubling this. It also calls for 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil per pouch, so we're going to be adding 6 tablespoons. There's 3. And this is number 6. Now it doesn't call for vanilla, but I like to use it to add a little flavor. And I always shake it up before I use it, in case any of the contents have settled. And I'm using 2 tablespoons per pack of cookie mix, so I put in a total of 4 tablespoons of vanilla. Now again, that's just something I add that's not on the instructions for the pack. The package instructions do call for 1 egg per pack. So again, since we're doubling, we're going to put 2 large eggs. And this is a quick and easy way to make peanut butter cookies because you put everything in there, mix it up, and then you can bake them. Now speeding up the video, see the mixing going on. Scraping everything down and off the mixer to make sure everything is getting combined. That's the Hershey chocolate bars. There were 6 of them and I just broke them up by hand into pieces, adding that to the mixing bowl. And whenever I use chocolate chips, I add the Hershey candy bars. Now here's the Nestle milk chocolate chips. I use milk chocolate. I do not use semi-sweet because it's bitter chocolate. I didn't measure this, but I would guess it was about a cup of the milk chocolate chips. Now we just need to mix that a little bit. You don't want to mix it too much because that'll make your mix-ins turn into crumbs. Just enough to get it incorporated so that you get some chocolate on each scoop of cookie. Of course, you don't have to use the mixer for this part. When you put the mix-ins, you can just mix it by hand with the spatula. Now on this day, I made 2 different kinds of peanut butter cookies with the Betty Crocker cookie mix. One, I added Reese peanut butter cups, and then this one I added the chocolate chips and the chocolate bars. And that was me putting 2 of each and baking them. Now I'm putting all the mix. This is the chocolate chip. I'm going to put also the peanut butter with the Reese's peanut butter cups, and I'm going to flash freeze them in the freezer for at least an hour. Once you do that, you can then freeze your cookie dough in your freezer, and whenever you have a taste for fresh baked cookies, just go in the freezer, pop them in the oven. And you can see my cookies are larger than the normal size cookie. That's why I don't get the 22, which the package tells you get for each pack. Now these are going into the freezer for at least an hour. Here's the 4 that we baked. They cooked for 14 minutes at 350. Now the cookie dough has been in the freezer for at least an hour. This is the peanut butter chocolate chips. And these are the peanut butter cookies with the Reese's chocolate candy bars in them. And here's both bags. On the labels I'll put the date that I made them and cooking instructions, and as well as the name of the cookie. And here's the empty cookie tray. My siblings ate those 4 cookies and said they were really good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.